Rodrigo Duterte's arrest. At the peak of his power, it was unthinkable. Yet it happened 3 years post-presidency. Rodrigo Duterte was arrested on a warrant issued by the International Criminal Court. Ang kaso, crimes against humanity patungkol sa kanyang giyera kontra droga, kabilang ng extrajudicial killings nang siya ay naging alkalde ng Davao City at Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Hindi na miyembro ang Pilipinas ng ICC, so the tribunal coursed its request to arrest Duterte through Interpol, of which the Philippines is a member. It's wild to think that his surrender was facilitated under a government once allied with his daughter. The arrest further divided an already politically polarized electorate. Rodrigo Duterte and the Duterte brand remain wildly popular, even as his bloody war on drugs, which killed thousands, drew global backlash. He even won the Davao City mayoral election in May kahit pa malabong makapagsilbi siya sa kanyang nasasakupan. Lumabas sa kalsada ang Duterte loyalists para magprotesta, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi pati sa Netherlands. The Duterte camp tried to fight for his release, while their disinformation machinery propagated narratives portraying him as a victim of injustice. Pero hindi tumalab ang kanilang argumento sa ICC na binasura ang hiling na pansamantalang palayain si Duterte nitong Nobyembre. Masalimuot pa ang daang tatahakin ng pamilya ng drug war victims, pero umaasa silang ang hustisyang hindi nila nakamit sa Pilipinas ay makukuha nila sa pandaigdigang batas.